Hi, my name is Cameron Spilker. This is going to be my presentation over cognition, learning, and motivation. All right, so starting with cognition, this refers to the mental action or process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, and the senses. There's several types of cognitive processes such as attention, language, memory, and perception. And these just kind of have to deal with, for example, your ability to pay attention to small details or over a sustained amount of time, your ability to read and write and express yourself through language, your ability to encode, store, and memorize certain information, and perceiving and applying information. So everyone processes and interprets information a little differently, and some people excel in certain areas, whereas others don't. All right, so moving on to learning, this refers to the acquisition of novel information, behaviors, or abilities after practice, observation, or other experiences as evidenced by change in behavior, knowledge, or brain function. So, like cognition, there's several types, including kinesthetic, visual, auditory, observational, and interpersonal, to name a few. And so it's really important to understand your own unique learning style, as it can help you assess how you process information most effectively, which is really important for your future development and success. All right, so lastly, we have motivation. This is the desire to act in service of a goal. It's a crucial element in setting and attaining our objectives. Research shows that motivated students are much more likely to achieve their potential and find success in the future. Um, it also shows us that extrinsic motivation from rewards such as a snack or getting to watch TV or other incentives is only effective up until a certain point. So ideally, students should be intrinsically motivated, which is a person's self-inspired motivation to undertake a task. Intrinsically motivated students will typically persist and achieve beyond someone that is extrinsically motivated. All right, so for my reflection, I chose learning how to effectively note take because I believe that it's been something that has drastically affected my college learning. So while note taking, there's a multitude of cognitive processes happening that involve acquiring, translating, and storing information. And so, as someone that's kind of a kinesthetic learner, note taking has proven to be an effective method to help me retain information. And I've noticed that I learn better when I actively take notes, which helps motivate me to be successful. All right, so modern cognitive psychology was founded in the 1930s and then expanded upon from there. Initially, they sought to understand how students learn, and they believed that understanding the cognitive orientation to learning was essential to providing a quality education. So, as far as biology goes, research indicates that as we age, our cognitive function tends to decline, including processing things slower, difficulty recalling past events, and just a general forgetfulness. It also shows that neurodevelopmental disorders such as ADHD and ADD limit an individual's capacity to pay attention over a sustained amount of time or control impulsive behavior. So, mental health problems can really affect a student's energy level, concentration, dependability, mental ability, and optimism. And research shows that depression and anxiety are very closely associated with lower grade point averages. And as far as society goes in general, obviously societal norms influence learning and education. And in many cultures around the world, mental illness is really stigmatized and leading to individuals who suffer from mental health often not having access to a healthy support system. And here are the references that I use for this presentation. And that wraps it up. Thank you.